So the Steeple Building is one of my favorite museums in town. If you go in the back right corner, there's a beautiful exhibit on the immigrants' experience. There's also a changing exhibit on a regular basis, something new to discover. Upstairs are a lot of colony-era artifacts donated by the descendants and their families. This building has served so many purposes over time. For a short while, it was a school. When the telephone came to town, the telephone operator was here. And it was apartments for a while. So when the Bishop Hill Heritage Association purchased the building, they actually had to buy it from several different families, like condos. They own different rooms. If you pause for a moment, it's pretty easy to imagine the King of Sweden standing on that sunlit portico, because he was here. Actually, every time the Bishop Hill Heritage Association does a major renovation of one of the historic buildings, Sweden as a nation has been very supportive, and the king came when this building was reopened.